Hey everyone, today we're taking a closer look at Euvelle U-Tooth glasses, those smart frames that claim to combine fashion, function, and tech. But are they actually worth it or just another too good to be true product? Let's find out. Quick disclaimer before we begin, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Euvelle advertises its glasses as sleek, open-ear audio frames that voice assistant features, Bluetooth connectivity, and optional prescription lenses. They market the product as stylish and practical for hands-free use. Some users online have expressed doubts. A few noted that the website seems a bit too polished with promo videos that appear AI generated. Others pointed out the lack of clarity around shipping, returns, and after-sales support. One Redditor even questioned whether the product demos are real or just hype. There are no verified reviews on Trustpilot for Euvelle at this time, which makes it hard to gauge real customer satisfaction. That absence alone should raise a red flag, especially if you're spending a decent amount. Euvelle might not be an outright scam, but it's far from a fully trusted brand without third-party reviews or verified ratings. It's tough to recommend. If you're curious, proceed with caution, use payment or secure payment options, and be sure to check the return policy before buying. Tried Euvelle glasses yourself? Let us know how it went, and if you found this review helpful, stick around for more honest takes on trending products.